Welcome to our guide on making money with Jasper AI in 2025, where we explore its incredible potential in online course creation. Using Jasper AI minimizes the time spent on course content generation, allowing you to focus on delivering value to your learners. Let's dive into a step-by-step guide on brainstorming course ideas with Jasper's AI capabilities. Structure is key. Jasper AI can help you create a solid framework for your online course, ensuring coherence and flow. Create engaging video scripts effortlessly with Jasper AI's suggestions, making your content more appealing to your audience. Leverage Jasper AI to craft compelling marketing messages that resonate with your audience and promote your course effectively. Setting the right price is crucial. Use Jasper AI to analyze your audience and maximize your course's revenue potential. Continuously improve your course by utilizing Jasper AI to gather and analyze feedback from your students over time. Let's look at inspiring case studies of successful online courses created with Jasper AI that highlight its effectiveness. In conclusion, the future of automated content creation with tools like Jasper AI promises to revolutionize online education.